Hey there, home cooks! Welcome back to another delicious recipe adventure. Ready to make the best apple crisp ever? This recipe is not only easy, but also quick, perfect for any occasion. Trust me, this recipe will have your kitchen smelling like autumn and your taste buds doing a happy dance. The aroma of baked apples and cinnamon is simply irresistible. First, let's grab our ingredients. Having everything ready will make the process smooth and enjoyable. You're going to need 6 medium apples, preferably Granny Smith or Honeycrisp, for that perfect balance of sweet and tart. These varieties hold up well during baking and provide a delightful texture. You'll also need half a cup of granulated sugar, a teaspoon of ground cinnamon, and a tablespoon of lemon juice for the filling. These ingredients will enhance the natural flavors of the apples. For the topping, grab a cup of rolled oats, a cup of all-purpose flour, a cup of packed brown sugar, and a stick of melted butter. This combination creates a crunchy, sweet topping that complements the soft apples perfectly. Oh, and don't forget a pinch of salt. It balances the sweetness and enhances the overall flavor. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. This ensures that your apple crisp bakes evenly and achieves that perfect golden brown top. While it's heating up, peel, core, and slice those apples. Aim for thin slices so they cook evenly. This step is crucial for achieving a tender, melt-in-your-mouth texture. Toss them into a mixing bowl, then add that granulated sugar, ground cinnamon, and lemon juice. Give it a good stir until the apples are well coated. This mixture will create a delicious, spiced filling. Now, let's move on to the topping. This is where the magic really happens. In a separate bowl, combine the oats, flour, brown sugar, and salt. These dry ingredients form the base of our crumbly topping. Pour in the melted butter and mix until it's crumbly and everything's well combined. The butter helps to bind the ingredients together and adds richness. This is where the magic happens. The topping will bake into a golden, crispy layer that's simply irresistible. Take your apple mixture and spread it evenly in a greased baking dish. Make sure the apples are distributed evenly for consistent baking. Then, sprinkle the oat mixture on top, covering all the apples. This ensures every bite has a perfect balance of fruit and crunch. Pop it into the oven and bake for about 45 minutes or until the top is golden brown and the apples are bubbly. The baking time may vary slightly depending on your oven, so keep an eye on it. While it's baking, let's talk about serving. Presentation can make a big difference in how your dish is received. Apple crisp is best enjoyed warm, straight out of the oven. The warmth enhances the flavors and makes it even more comforting. Scoop some into a bowl and, if you're feeling extra indulgent, add a scoop of vanilla ice cream or a dollop of whipped cream. The contrast of temperatures and textures is divine. The contrast of the warm, spiced apples and the cool, creamy ice cream is pure heaven. It's a combination that's hard to beat. All right, time to check on our crisp. The anticipation is part of the fun. If it's golden and bubbly, it's ready. The top should be crisp and the apples tender. Let it cool for a few minutes before serving so you don't burn your tongue. This also allows the flavors to meld together beautifully. And there you have it, the best apple crisp ever. It's a simple yet impressive dessert that's sure to please. Perfect for a cozy night in or as a crowd-pleasing dessert for your next gathering. It's versatile and always a hit. Give it a try and let me know how it turns out in the comments. Happy cooking! I can't wait to hear about your delicious creations.